A very good morning to all my students. Welcome to online classes. Students, this is your maths period. Students, as you know that our chapter number 2, that is operations on large numbers, is going on, and today we are going to solve exercise 2D. Students, take out your maths book and now let's start your maths class. Students, here is question A. Subtract. Students, in this question, numbers are already arranged in proper columns and we have to just subtract the numbers. First question. Here 9,58,365 is given. And here 5,37,210 is given. Now we will subtract the numbers. 5 minus 0 is 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. 9 minus 5 is 4. Students, 4,21,155. This is your answer. Second question. Here 4,31,624 is given. And here 1,20,313 is given. Now we will subtract the numbers. 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 6 minus 3 is 3. 1 minus 0 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Students, 3,11,311. This is your answer. Students, first and second question, this I have done for you. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Students, this is your homework. This you have to do it on your own. Students, now come to question B. Find the difference between. First question, 4,25,630 and 6,46,976. Students, in order to find the difference between these two numbers, we will subtract the smaller number from the greater number. Students, 6,46,976 is the greater number. So we will write 6,46,976 here. And 4,25,630 is the smaller number. So we will write 4,25,630 here. Now we will subtract the numbers. 6 minus 0 is 6. 7 minus 3 is 4. 9 minus 6 is 3. 6 minus 5 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. Students, 2,21,346. This is your answer. Second question. 5,87,625 and 2,30,514. Students, in order to find the difference between these two numbers, we will subtract the smaller number from the greater number. Students, 5,87,625 is the greater number. So we will write 5,87,625 here. And 2,30,514 is the smaller number. So we will write 2,30,514 here. Now we will subtract the numbers. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. 7 minus 0 is 7. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. Students, 1,57,111. This is your answer. Third question. 1,51,346 and 4,83,659. Students, in order to find the difference between these two numbers, we will subtract the smaller number from the greater number. Students, 4,83,659 is the greater number. So, we will write 4,83,659 here and 1,51,346 is the smaller number. So, we will write 1,51,346 here. Now, we will subtract the numbers. 9 minus 6 is 3. 5 minus 4 is 1. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 8 minus 5 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. Students, 3,32,313. This is your answer. Fourth question. 6,31,547 and 2,10,325. Students, in order to find the difference between these two numbers, we will subtract the smaller number from the greater number. Students, 6,31,547 is the greater number. So, we will write 6,31,547 here and 2,10,325 is the smaller number. So, we will write 2,10,325 here. Now, we will subtract the numbers. 7 minus 5 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. Students, 4,21,222. This is your answer. Students, now come to question C. Fill in the box with the correct digits. Students, you can see that in this question some boxes are given and we have to write the correct digits in these boxes. First question. 8 minus 6 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2 because 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 plus 3 is 6 because 6 minus 3 is 3. 7 minus 1 is 6. 5 minus 3 is 2 because 5 minus 2 is 3. 6 plus 2 is 8 because 8 minus 6 is 2. Students, now come to second question. 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2 because 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0 because 3 minus 0 is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. 6 plus 2 is 8 because 8 minus 6 is 2. 9 minus 4 is 5 because 9 minus 5 is 4. Students, question C, this you have to do it in your book. Now students, today I have completed exercise 2D. Students, question A and question C, this you have to do it in your book only. And question B, this you have to do it in your maths copy.